Hello viewers and subscribers. In this video, I'm going to present to you using an extra set of stock screws of this Phoenix Model Edge 540 stock spinner as custom pins, basically, for the spinner backplate for preventing any slipping from happening when trying to tighten down the propeller to its stock spinner. And I'm going to remove the spinner cone to present that to y'all. So now I got the cone removed. Okay. And I'm going to try and reposition my phone to show a better view of what I'm talking about. So, yep. So, yes, I saw there that while getting the spinner cone off, these are still there. And these screws are utilized as custom spinner backplate pins for preventing slipping from happening when trying to tighten down the propeller to the backplate. And here's how I got these screws to sit on secure enough to be treated as the custom pins. I used a power drill to drill holes, as you see where the screws are at. And the screws, of course, for holding the spinner to the backplate go to these holes, of course. And I've mentioned that the type of screws for the custom pin setup and the one for holding the spinner cone to the backplate are identical. And the way that I was able to have two of the stock screws for securing the cone and the other two be for the custom pins are that I've had a stock spinner from that Phoenix Model 120 size Sbach get damaged already, and so I saved a couple screws out of that Phoenix Model Sbach 120 stock red spinner and decided that, between that Sbach spinner and this Edge 541 to utilize two of them for custom backplate pins and the other two being for just holding the cone in place. And from there, you basically see that when I still have the spinner tightened down good, that these other screws can just stay there acting as the backplate pins. And I know earlier, like a few months ago, I've made a video about presenting this airplane with that Dubro 2 3/4 inch white one, but actually, well, after that video got posted, my dad and I accidentally broke that Dubro spinner up pretty good. And now that Dubro white one is all in the trash. And a big thing that's different with presenting the stock spinner versus the Dubro one was that the Dubro video involved actually putting some form of rings between the stock backplate screws to act as pins. But then the only thing was with getting the spinner tightened down, the items used as the anti-slip pins don't stay on there with the spinner cone being tightened down. But this video, using the stock spinner, I don't just show what I used as custom pins for the backplate, but also showing that even when getting the cone tightened down, that my material used as custom pins still stay there instead of just being removed. And I hope all of you viewers and subscribers enjoy my presentation of my Phoenix Model 120 size Edge 540 stock spinner, utilizing 4 of its stock screws, as in 2 for custom pins and the other 2 being for getting the back plate on, getting the spinner cone on securely. Thank you all very much.